Eknath Shinde is the Cabinet Minister of Urban Development and Public Works in Government of Maharashtra. He is current member of Legislative Assembly from Kopri-Pachpakhadi constituency of Thane, Maharashtra, India as a member of Shiv Sena. He has been elected consecutively for 4 terms in the Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for 2004, 2009, 2014 and 2019. His son Dr. Eknath Shinde, an orthopedic surgeon, got elected as a member of parliament to the Lok Sabha from the Kalyan constituency, defeating the NCP's Anand Paranjap, who had defected from the Shiv Sena, and Raju Patil of the MNS. Eknath Shinde hails from Maratha community of the mountainous Jawali Taluka in Satara, Maharashtra. After coming to Thane city, he studied till 11th standard from Mangala High School and Junior College, Thane, and then started his early career as a small worker. He had to leave the education to earn the livelihood for his family. However, after becoming the minister in 2014 in BJP Shiv Sena government, he resumed his studies and has now graduated via distance education by Yashwantrao Chavan Open University, Maharashtra. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.